What's good, everybody? It's your girl Des, and I'm back with another video. So, first of all, I just want to say hi to everybody. You can actually see my face this time, and let me just say, y'all, low-key, I feel real ghetto for this because, like, I don't have an actual setup yet, but someone did request this video, so I decided to give it to you guys. Today, we're gonna talk about like how I do my video, like how I record my Sims videos and how I edit them. So before we go any further, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this or more Sims videos and all that good stuff. So yeah, so now you can actually see the face behind the videos. And let's go into it. So the app I use is called OBS, and it is currently recording right now, so that's why you see this moving around. I know y'all don't see my mouse, I'm sorry. So the audio mixer is moving around because I'm using the mic and all that good stuff, so it is a recording. So that's what I use to record my videos. So whenever I go into game like Sims, I honestly don't know if I can go into Sims with this camera on. It might turn the camera off, I'm not sure, but that's what I basically do. So it does work for in-game, and it's a really good thing to use for streaming. I just haven't learned how to use Twitch yet, so if y'all know how to use Twitch, let a girl know down in the comments, that way I can start. We're just gonna close that because that's really the basics of OBS. OBS is just a screen recording. Move over here. Yeah, so like I was saying, OBS Studio is just a recording and streaming application that you can download. It's completely free and it's really good. I've been using this for all my videos so far as the Sims go, and it's been really good. So another thing I use is Cyberlink Power Director. So if you know what you're doing and more advanced, you can go ahead and get the one that you have to pay for, and it has like all these really cool things that comes to it that are exclusive for people who got Power Director 365. As you can see, they're already like trying to get me to join. It's like Valentine's Day sale, 25% off. But if you broke like me, I'm not broke, but I'm broke. So if you like me and just doing it for fun, just trying to see where it goes and all that good stuff, you can be like me and get that free version. This is free to download, and every time you get down to it, it'll choose like, hey, do you want to buy it or you want to just get into the free version of it. So then I go into full mode. So I'm not really sure if y'all can still see me, but this is where you go to, and I basically, you just throw your stuff in here. So I have mine set up to where the first thing that'll be on the screen, I have mine set up is like from top to bottom. I know a lot of people who edit the videos, they like their stuff from bottom to top. I just get confused every time, so I just keep it like that. But yeah, so we're just going to find something that I already have that could be easily edited. So we'll go with this video, and we're going to set that there. So this is what it starts off as, and if y'all haven't watched this video already, it's how I created my Sim self. And yeah, so I turned this 17-minute video into like a 5-minute video. Actually no, it was like a 2-minute and 30-second video. So what I did was, with the OBS, I would record as soon as I got in game, did my introduction. Y'all know my introduction by now. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Des, and I'm back with another video. So yeah, I do my little introduction, tell everybody what I was doing with that, and then as soon as I did that, I paused OBS, and that's something you can do. So you go here and you can either press the pause button, which is not showing up because it's not, hold on, let me move it. So you can either press the pause button, or you can set up your hotkeys inside of settings, which I did. So when I want to pause my video, it's just set to Control P for pause. So that's kind of how I do it. So I pause the video, that way, you know, I can get settled in and like everything I need to do. So after I do that, I'm talking, pause the video, then I go back in, actually pull back OBS, and I start messing with the desktop audio and the mic aux. So the whole time when I'm editing the character, I turned off my mic and I turned down my desktop audio. That way it's just dead silent the whole time I'm creating that, and if I'm talking, you're not hearing anything I'm saying. I'm probably talking to myself and singing. But that way I can go back later and add the music that I want, and also speed up the video, because who the heck wants to watch a 17-minute video of me customizing myself? Nobody. So that's why I just did that. And then so whenever I get to the part where it's like, okay, cool, she's done talking, I go in here and click this little knife thingy, and it's just split the video. And then I go back and I find wherever I was talking again. So we're going down this long thing, and boom, I'm talking again right here. So split that off. So now I'm left with the chunk that's like 15 minutes long of just me creating myself. So then next thing you want to do, you want to go into tools, video speed, and you can either choose new video duration and click it down like that, and you can see the numbers are going down. Or if you're like me and don't have the time for that, you just guesstimate how long you want the video to be. So at 2 minutes, this is how fast the video plays. So far so good. And knowing me, I probably would have kept that. But say if you want something faster, you might want to bring it down just a tad more. 1 minute 59 seconds, and see how that plays. I like how fast it's moving. But I actually think when I made the video, I might have went a little bit faster. So we'll do 1 minute 23 just to see how that worked. Yeah, so that's about where I was. And as you can see, the video is playing much faster. So boom, just like that, I've already cut a 17-minute video into like almost 2 minutes and something. It's like 2 minutes and 7 seconds. So already I've cut down this video from 17 minutes to 2 minutes and something seconds. So then from there, so then from there you want to go in, and for me, I put in the music where I needed it and match it up to where I'm talking again. And as you can see, like, it automatically puts it with the next like audio thing. So then whenever you go, this is how it's looking and sounding. So yeah, also I did not use this song for this video at all, y'all. I used I just chose a random song that was just in here. So that's pretty much all I did for this video, and this is pretty much how I do all my videos. I come in here, chop it up a good million times, throw in my music, and say for like the talking part, I wanted to use some background music. I'm actually going to import a music this time, and I get most of my songs from either the YouTube audio library or just YouTube itself and look up non-copyrighted music. So then I'll go to downloads and look for some music that I have in here. We'll do this, why not? So then if I wanted to, we're gonna trim to fit, and then I'll go in here, because it is background music, I will go to the audio mixing room, and I would kind of like change that where it's at 0, and I bring it all the way down to like 23.6. And of course it's going to get louder because I don't know where the rest of it is. And then I'll come over here where it wants to get loud again, and I bring it back down. And I think I can just do it like that. So like putting it right there, it'll automatically bring it down. So this is what it sounds like with the background music as well as me talking, and this is how I do all my videos. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Des, and I'm back with another video. Before we go any further, stop this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't... Also, let me fix that. See, and this is kind of like what I do. I go back, okay, if the song sounds too quiet, go back in and make it louder. If the song is too loud, make it quieter. Oh my gosh, that's not what I'm trying to do. So it's just a bunch of like playing with it, playing around and seeing what I need to do with it. And that's really all that's to it. So then I will go back, listen to it, and let's see. What's up YouTube? It's your girl Des and I'm back with another video. And okay, you can hear the background music with that, but then I'll go ahead and then turn myself down because now the background music is very sound and I feel like I'm just like blasting in somebody's ear. Before we go any further, stop this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss. And to me, that's a perfect blend. So that's basically how I do my videos, everybody. So we're just gonna exit out of there. I don't want to save that. I go into OBS Studio before every video that I'm recording. Make sure it's at least popped up. That way I can at least do the hotkeys. Go into my Sims game as soon as I'm at where I want to be at. So you guys don't have to wait on the loading process of the Sims 4 because it does take a while. Then when I'm where I need to be, I go ahead and start the video. Then when I'm done with everything, I go back into Cyberlink, get all the music I need, download it. I get the videos I need to put in there, everything that I need to do. I go ahead and get it together. So anywho, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you'd like to watch that video of how I created my Sim self, especially after seeing my editing process for it, click that little thingy that's gonna pop up saying, hey, watch me here. And then yeah, if you want to join and subscribe, I very much recommend it. You could catch up on the latest videos I put out for my Sims 4 Let's Play, as well as you get to experience me as I do these type of videos. If you have any other videos you want me to do, just comment down below, let me know. Anywho, so yeah, just do that and I'll get to with y'all the next time. Bye.